Welcome you to this channel. I am Adima Blessing. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to use Capcut to edit your videos. This video is more like a full Capcut tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, everyone should know how to use Capcut effectively to edit their videos, and this video is actually for beginners. So if you have zero knowledge about Capcut, please do well to stick around. Ensure you watch to the end, and please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, please. Okay, thank you. So in editing with Capcut, the first thing you need to do is to install this app. If you don't have it, you just head over to your Play Store or your App Store and download. Look at what we have here. This is what it looks like. This is what the interface looks like, Capcut. So I already have it on my phone, so I'll just go ahead and use. So I'll just click on the Capcut. I'll just click on Capcut. So immediately you click on it, it brings you. Okay, let me do that again. I'll click on Capcut. Immediately you click on Capcut, it brings you to this interface. So for people that have not used this app before, that have never used this app before, yours will be blank. So you just head over to this point where we have new project. You just head over to this point where we have new project, and you bring in the particular video you want to work on or you want to edit. I believe by now you must have pre-recorded the video you want to edit. So I'll just click on the new project right away to bring in the video I want to edit. Good. So now I'll just pick a particular video and I'll bring that video in. I'll just look for a video from my gallery. So as you can see, from this point you can actually choose where you want to select your video from. You can actually choose pictures too. So it's not only video you can edit. You can edit your pictures. You can mix your pictures. There are a whole lot of things you can do on this Capcut. This Capcut is one of my favorite editing app. I love this app. I love it so much. So the next thing we need to do right now, sorry about that. So the next thing you need to do right now is to bring in the video you want to edit. So I'll just quickly look for a video I want to edit. I'll bring in this particular video. Then I'll click here. You see, when you click on the video you want to edit, just look beneath. You're going to see add. So you just click on this add. So I'll just click on this add right away. I'll click on this add. Good. So once I click on this ad, it brings my video to the interface, to my work surface. So from this point now, I can do anything I like to my video. So now the first thing I need you to understand, I need you to look at this place with me. I need you to look at this place. Look at this place where I circled. That is where we're going to be working from. So anything you want to do, just look beneath. Anything you want to do, anything you want to do in your video or to your video rather, just look at this point and choose what you want to do. So the first option we have here is the edit. Look at what we have here. We have the edit option here. This is what we have here. Like I said, this video is for beginners. So by the end of this training, beginners should know how to use this app. So look at this place. We have edit. Here we have audio. Here we have text. Here we have our stickers, overlay, effect. We have filters. We have formats. We have canvas, and we have adjust. Don't worry, we're going to look at them one after the other. So in the first option we have here is the edit. So now let's click on the edit. So when you click on the edit, it brings this option. Look at, we have split here, we have speed, we have volume, we have animation, we have delete, we have remove background, we have style, we have extract audio, we have edit, we have filters, we have adjust, enhance, mask, Chromakey, and the likes. So the first thing we need to do now, let's just work with the split option. Let's say we want to split. For example, let me just play this video so you see what it looks like. So hello. So now let's say I want to split the first part out of this video. If you notice, the video was a bit silent, and I don't want that silence. I want the hello to come in immediately. So in order to split, what I need to look at what I need to do to split. Look at, this is what we call playhead. This line, this white line is what we call playhead. So whenever you want to split, whenever you want to do anything, just ensure you move your playhead to the area you want to work on. Then from there you can do whatever you want to do. So for example, now let's say for example I want to split. Okay, let me just say I want to split. Hello, 99 guy. Okay, let me say hello, 99. I want to split. I want my video to start from where we have hello. What I will do is very, very simple. I'll just click on the edit, then I'll come over and click on the split. I'll come over and click on the split, sorry. So when I click on the split, so I'll just click on the split, so you can see that I have two videos. There's a demarcation here. If you look very well, you will see that there is a demarcation here. So what I need to do right now is just to click on the first part, click on this part, click on this first part. As you can see, it is highlighted. Please just watch me. It is highlighted. I'll just click on that and delete it. So I'll just delete it right now. Good. So let's play.
Oh, nice, guys.
Good. So you can see that I have deleted that part I don't want. So whatever you want to do, just look at this point, this area, this area. This is your work, more like your work too. Whatever you want to do, just look at this area. So the next thing we need to do now, let's say you want to split in between. Let's say you want to split in between. You know, now the first thing we did was split the beginning. We removed the first part of the video that we don't want. Now let's take, for example, want to split in between. So what I need to do now, I'll just move my playhead.
Oh, nice, guys. So I got two messages.
So let's say I want to split from here. Let's say I want to split from here to here. You get? Let's say I want to split those two areas. What I need to do is very simple. I'll click on my my edit option. I'll click on my edit option again. I'll click on split. I'll move my playhead to the other area I want to split. I'll click on split again. Then I will click on the splitted item. Look at what I have splitted. I have cut the two sides, the right and the left side. So I'll just click on the option, the part I have in between, and I will delete. So that's just how to go about it. Easy peasy, right? Then the audio, you get to add sound. You can extract your audio. If I click on extract now, my audio will be extracted. Then this point, for example, you just did a recording, probably for content creators or YouTubers, or you just did a recording and there is no sound and you want to add sound, you can as well come over to this record area and record your voice. There are a lot of things you can do on this app. Like I've said, there are a whole lot of things you can do on this app. Then this area we have the effects. So if you want to add effects to your video, I think my network is a bit poor, you can just do all of that in that area. So good. So now let's say we want to add tests to our video. What we need to do is very, very simple. You just click on this option, the test option that you can see here. You just click on the test option. I hope you can see what I am clicking on. Please just look beneath. Everything we'll be doing is from this area. So you just click on this test option. I'll click on the test option quickly. So when I click on the test option, it brings out the add test, add template, add captions and stickers. Say we want to add test. I'll just put in the test I want to add. Adima's video or whatever. Good. Remember that whatever you want to do, wherever you want to add text, ensure your playhead is in that place. So now let's say, for example, I want this text to start from the beginning of my video. What I need to do is very simple. You can see this white area. I'll just drag it. So now let me drag. I'll just click on it and drag. You can see now my video is at the beginning. The text is at the beginning. I'll just drag again. You get. Then if you want to make the text bold, look at what you will do. You just drag this point, just drag it. So now when I drag, you can see my text is bold. So if you want to change the color of your text, it's very, very simple. You click on the text, then come over to this point where we have style. And click on that. So I'll just click on that now and choose any color of choice. Good, red. You can see I already changed my color. So Capcut is very, very easy to use. So let me delete this text. We don't need it. So I'll just delete that text right away. Okay guys, so now let's say you want to add captions. You are saying stuffs and you want those stuffs to be written out in form of text. All you need to do is just come over to your text again. come over to your text again, your text here, you click on it. So we click on the text. So from the text, you can see what we have here. We have auto captions. So what you need to do right now is click on the auto captions, click on that, ensure it is on original sound, then click, then continue, then you wait for a while. Just wait for some seconds for the caption to be generated. Look at what we have here. If you watch closely, look at what we have here. So we just have to wait for the captions to be generated. That shouldn't take up to a minute. Here we go. We already have our captions. So what we need to do right now, if you can see, if you look below, you will see right up. You will see right up. These are our captions. Let me just play so you see what it looks like. Let me play.
Night guys. So I got
So now what you need to do is just click on one of this click on one of the text option. Just click on this so that you can batch edit it. So I'll just click on that. I'll just click on one of them and click on batch edit. That way I get to correct my spellings and I get to just make corrections if need be. There is always a need for correction because sometimes you say something and Capcut interprets it, giving you another write-up. So that is why you just need to click on that batch edit. So with the batch edit, you can correct your write-up. Just click on the batch edit so you can see. Night guys. So I got a message from, so I'll just do that. So I will not be doing that in this video. So you just edit it line by line. So definitely you should know what you have said. So you just come over and edit. You just edit everything. So just edit. I got a message. Just edit. Once you are done editing, always click on this good option. Always click on this good option once you are done editing. I'm trying to show you the option. Yeah, always click on this option once you're editing. I got from my online people that follow me. So I won't be editing so as not to take so much time in this video. So once you are done, just click on the good. So
okay,
the
I got messages today from.
So if you want to make it bold, you already know how to go about it. Just increase this point. Just increase this point. Just increase this point, drag it. If you want to make the write-up bold, then you equally know how to go about it. If you want to change the color of the text, if you want to change the captions, the color of the captions to another color, do well to come to the style and change. So let me just practicalize that. Let me make this right up big, then change the color to, let's do okay, good. So you can always change your color. So another thing you can do in your Capcut, I think I will want to remove this auto captions, or do I leave it? Okay, let me just leave it for the purpose of the stream. Another thing we might want to do right now is to bring in stickers. You can bring in stickers. Look at where we have stickers. Like I said, this app is pretty easy to use. So you can bring in stickers from that point. You just click on it and bring in stickers. So let's say I just click on stickers. So it brings me to this point. I can bring in any sticker of choice. But I won't be using any sticker. Then another thing you can equally do is to bring in overlay. So when you bring in overlay, it brings you to this point where you have the plus icon below, or beneath rather. It brings you to this point, so you just click on that. So I want to bring in another video. So this video is one, and I want another one to be showing beneath. I'll just click on it. I'll just click on that. So I'll bring in a particular video quickly. I'll bring in any video. I'll click on add. Good. So once I bring in a video, so look at the video I brought in. If you notice, the video is covering my my previous video, and I don't want it to be like that. So what I will do, I'll just use my hand to minimize it. I'll just minimize it so it becomes really small. I'll just minimize the video, make it very, very small, and bring it to this side. I'll just minimize it. Yeah, bring it to this side. So let's see what we have. So remember that anywhere you put your player, that is where whatsoever you are going to be editing comes in from. So I just dragged to the beginning. Let's see what it looks like. Let me make it smaller. It's too small though, but it's fine. So let's see what we have. Good. So another thing we can do with our Capcut is to add effect. Look at the effect option here. You can add effect. I won't be dwelling much on that. You can add filter. You can add you can choose your format. We have the 16:9. We have the 1:1. The 16:9 is the aspect ratio of YouTube. 16:9 is the aspect ratio for YouTube. 1:1 is that of Instagram. 9:16 Instagram, and all of that. You can actually choose any ratio that best fits into the kind of video you want to create. Then we have the canvas. You can change your background. You can do a whole lot of things with Capcut. Then there's one more thing I would like to show you. Now let's say for example we want to bring in we have a YouTube channel and we want to bring in the subscribe button. So what you need to do right now is just to head over. We'll just click on I'll just click on my overlay again. I'll click on my overlay quickly. So I'll click on my overlay to bring in my green screen video. You can go ahead to Google, just search for YouTube subscribe button and download. So I'll just bring in okay, good. So I'll just bring in the icon quickly. Good. So now we have our icon, the YouTube icon. So what I want to do right now is to remove the green screen. I want to remove this green screen from this video. Let me play to see what we have. Let me play. Guys, permit me to delete this video I brought in, so I'll just delete it. I think the purpose has been achieved. Okay, so now let's say I bring in this green screen video and I want to remove the green screen. I just want
guys.
I want only the subscribe option to be shown. What I need to do is very, very simple. I will click on the green screen. I'll just tap on it. I'll just tap on the green screen. Look at it. I'll tap on it, sorry. After tapping on it, I will scroll to where I have the Chromakey. So I'll scroll to where I have the Chromakey. Good. So now here we go. We have the Chromakey option here. So what I need to do quickly is just to click on this Chromakey. I'll just click on that. I'll click on the Chromakey. Good. Then I'll click on the color picker. Look at what we have here. Please take notes. I'll click on the color picker. So once I click on the color picker, I'll click on the color picker. After clicking on the color picker, I come over to this point. I come over to this circle. I have here this circle. I will turn it until I pick my green color. So I'm just going to look at I have my green color. I've chosen the green color. If you notice before, our circle didn't have this green all through. So you click on the color you want. Then the next thing you need to do is very, very simple. Just click on the intensify beside the color picker. I'll click on the intensify and I will drag forward. Good. And I'll click the good. So let's see what we have.
Night guys.
Good.
So from
good. So you can see that our green screen has been removed. So this is how to remove your green screen. You can do this to videos too. Probably you downloaded a green screen video and you want to remove the green. You understand? Just go about it the same way. Come over to click on the particular image or video. Go over to your Chromakey. Use your color picker to pick the color you want to take out and click on intensify and increase. So that's just all. Then what else are we going to be looking at? I think we have touched the major part of this CapCut, then the adjust, you can add brightness, contrast, saturation. This is just to modify your video, just to make your video look more presentable and all of that. So I think that will be all for now. Let me check if there's anything I have not talked about. Then once you are done, you just come over to this point. Once you are done, come over to this point and save. Come over to this point and save. But if you feel the resolution is too high, you can as well come over to this point. Look at this point. You can as well come over to this point and reduce. By then I feel you should just leave it like this so that your video comes out looking very bright and sharp. So that will be all for this particular video. Thank you for staying to the end. Please do well to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. See you in my next video. Once again, my blessing.